today we're here with Dylan, and Dylan is an agility dog. Agility dogs, like any other athletic dog, are going to have some issues that are a part of their daily activity and their training and their athletic events. So we're going to take a look at some of the issues that happen with these guys. But one of the first things we always like to look at is leg length, because functional leg length in a dog tells us an awful lot about how the rest of the dog is moving, all the way from the nose down to the tail.
So to look at leg length, the first thing we're going to do is pick up and make sure that he's non-weight bearing in this back end. If he'll let us, we'll extend these legs. And he's kind of stiff back here today. One of the reasons that we're going to check leg length, especially in an agility dog, is functional leg length is very important. If the legs are a slightly different length, when he pushes off, he'll push off crooked. If he pushes off crooked, he's going to land crooked. If he lands crooked, that's going to put uneven stress on his shoulders, uneven stress here, and just cause all kinds of
Can you show Dr. exactly where you place your hands for picking up his legs?
I just picked up right underneath his pelvis to make him non-weight bearing, and then I would like to put my leg on his upper leg and stretch him out. But right now he's not letting us do that. So we can check his legs right here with just letting them dangle straight down. Oh, you're relaxed, big guy.
Relax, Dylan.
And we can see that there's a slight difference.
And let's turn him so they can get a look at the hind end. Good boy, Dylan. It's okay. Shh, it's okay.
Okay, if our camera can see that? Okay. All right. And you see when we try to extend those legs, he very
resists.
stiff in
He
his
wants
back
to
end.
pull him up. So that clues us in that things aren't working right somewhere further up the line. Quite often, it can be as far up as the occiput and atlas at the head. That in and of itself can change how they behave in the back end. So that'll definitely be part of our chiropractic exam.
And then we follow him all the way up and check for motion in his spine. It feels pretty good. But biomechanically, and when these dogs move, we have to remember that when we move, we can move very stiff and still get from point A to point B. But when these guys move, it takes every bone and every muscle, every ligament to take one step. Okay? Their head has to move right so their back end can move right. And if we're stiff in the back end like we are here, we know that that has to make our front end not move correctly. That's shortening up the front end. If the back end can't take a full stride, then the front end can't either. All right, so after his adjustment, you can pick up his legs, just like we did before, and see that they're more of the same length. And if we look at him from the side, he'll now let us extend him
More comfortably.
which is through a more normal range of motion than before. Right out here at the end of the range of motion, he gets a little bit uncomfortable.
Let's let him shake, and I think he'll feel better about it.
And there's his shake. That's his reset. He's resetting all his nervous system. So thanks for bringing Dylan in today. And I'm sure that his adjustment will help him move better and achieve his goals.
Do his job better.
Do his job better. Thank you.